Morning everyone. Last week, no, it might have been the week before, someone rang me and they were talking about choking on chlorine fumes when they were trying to get rid of mould inside homes. So I thought, well, I'll try and make a non-DG, non-dangerous, non-hazardous version of mould remover. And so I did, and this is the result. That's indoor mould remover. And as in most things, the theory was great. It should work pretty well. But what happened there, I actually got a live trial, which was just fantastic. And I've got Mick Kennedy and Kathy Walker with me today, and they trialled it. And just get your reaction, folks. Just what led up to the thing, and you and Kathy can take it from here.
Well, I've got my house is rented, and I've got an inspection coming up. Now, I live in an area where there's a lot of salt air and whatnot, and all my walls, ceilings, everything is white.
Yep.
And so any little bit of mould or anything that shows up greatly, like it's really noticeable. And so, of course, with inspection coming, got to have everything nice and clean. And so I mentioned to Kathy about my inspection. She quite nicely volunteered to come and help me get it ready, and having cleaning experience, and she come over and I took some of this home and gave it to Kath and said, here, use this, try this, and that's where you can take over now, Kath.
Yes, having previous cleaning experience, having a great product is the be-all and end-all of making life easier.
Cool.
I loved it. It was really great. It took the mould away instantly. There was no really bad smell. There was no harsh feeling on your hands after. It's a really great product for the mould.
And how did you apply it? Did you just spray and wipe, or did you put it in a bucket and
We
wipe
put it
the
in a
walls?
bucket,
Yeah.
And that's where the extra bubbles came into it, because I like to have
Because that was your feedback, wasn't it?
Yes.
Just could be a bit more sudsy.
Yes.
And so Michael's done that. We've added some sudsy stuff to it, and
because that would help with the dust and stuff. You know, tongue and groove rules
sure.
Are one of those things that, being white and in that sort of area, the mould comes, but it's also the dust in that as well. So the bubbles just help take the dust away as well.
No choking, no bad
it was
effects,
great.
Not asthmatic.
No, didn't wear any of my nail polish off or anything like that.
I did not.
That's always great.
Well, that's probably a good point that I wouldn't have thought of. But
what I also liked, Dave, was anything that got on the carpet didn't stain it.
Yes.
It didn't bleach it.
But the house smelled clean of bleach. Like it smelled clean.
Yeah. And that's a big thing, not
Yes.
only the choking, but bleach, of course. And mould removers with chlorine actually will bleach your carpet.
Yeah.
Bleach you. Actually.
And burn your hands and stuff
Well,
like that.
yeah. And if you wash half a wall with bleach, you basically got to repaint it.
Sometimes, in an old place.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Because it
the
takes a
paint will do
nice old oxidised layer of paint off and leaves a nice fresh one.
Yeah.
that. Absolutely.
Well, that's fantastic, and it's great to get feedback from you guys. And in your honour, we've got you the first sudsy version and got your name on it.
Thank you. I
And,
appreciate that.
And I look forward
We'll
to
be
your
using it.
feedback
Yes.
after trying that.
I'll
That'd
let
be
you
great.
know. Yep, absolutely.
All right, well, that's our indoor mould remover. You can buy this product now from Mackay Cleaning and Packaging Supplies in Burns Street. And any other questions you've got, please just call me. Thank you.